Try asking somebody what do they mean by B2B marketing. I can bet till today the most common reply which you will get is B2B marketing is all about participation in big trade shows, exhibitions, fancy booths, or maybe making those colorful brochures which might actually be gathering dust piled up in some corner of the office. So this is a big myth about B2B marketing which really needs to be broken. And today let me share some real insights about this. If a Gartner report has to be referred, it clearly states that B2B buyers spends at least 60 to 70% of their decision making on the digital platform before even connecting with any salesperson of any organization. Wow. So what does that mean? It means that if you do not have your digital presence, if you do not have your digital content strategy in place, if you do not have thought leadership, you are almost invisible. You are in fact invisible in the market where your customers are actually. So you are missing the bus, you are missing the chance of participation in the deals. So this is a big loss to your probable business. Well, to cite one example of one of my clients, I could actually successfully convince them to park some amount, rather 30% of their marketing budget into the digital presence as well. So what did we get in return? Almost 2.5 to 3x increase in the lead generation. So what does that mean? It means that digital presence is not just good to have, but it is must to have. Barring any industry, barring any stage of the business, this is something which is really much needed tactics about the B2B marketing. And this myth really has to be broken about B2B being very mundane, very boring, very conventional approach of doing the marketing. So today it's an advanced world for B2B with the advanced digital technology in place. So are you the one who's still relying on those conventional ways of doing B2B marketing, or are you the one who's ready to make the shift to this advanced world of B2B, which is actually the revenue generator? In either case, I would be happy to connect with you and share my personal experiences and help you chalk out your go-to-market strategies and B2B marketing with the experience I have in the B2B space. So thank you. Let's together demythify this big myth about B2B marketing.